Welcome to KT Study Zone. In this video series, we're going to discuss about the chemical basis of life, part 6, and we're going to talk about minerals. Minerals are important as a nutrient constituent to maintain the life processes of organisms. They are absorbed as trace or macroelements into the body. Macroelements are the elements needed in higher amounts, while the trace elements are the elements needed in small amounts. 7% of the body weight is by minerals, and 3/4 of the above amount is by calcium and phosphorus. Other than them, potassium, iron, magnesium, copper, and iodine are included. When the elements are not present in correct amounts, plants and animals show deficiency symptoms. Alright, now we will see the functions of minerals in the human body and their deficiency symptoms. First, potassium. Functions. Controls the ionic balance of the fluid in the cell for the activity of heart and muscles, and also for transmission of nerve impulses. Deficiency symptoms: weakening of muscles and psychological disorders. Sodium. Functions: activates enzymes as a constituent of digestive juice to maintain constant osmotic pressure in cells. Transmission of nerve impulses. Deficiency symptoms: respiratory disorders, cramps, nausea, and diarrhea. Magnesium. Functions: as a constituent of bones and teeth to control nerve activity in skeletal muscles. Help in metabolic activities. Deficiency symptoms: high heartbeat and nerve irritability. Calcium. Functions: growth of bones and teeth, blood clotting, proper function of nerves, milk production, absorption of vitamin B. Deficiency symptoms: weakening of bones and teeth, growth disorders, and osteoporosis. Phosphorus. Functions: growth of bones and teeth as a constituent of nucleic acids, for carbohydrate and fat metabolism, instant release of energy in muscles and nerves. Deficiency symptoms: weakening of bones and become fragile. Iron. Functions: synthesis of hemoglobin, storage of oxygen in muscles as a constituent of enzymes. Deficiency symptoms: anemia, sleepiness, hypoactive nature, weakness in psychological development. Iodine. Functions: synthesis of thyroxine hormone. Deficiency symptoms: affects the development of intelligence, lethargic attitude towards studies, and limits body height. Great! Now we will see the functions of minerals in plants and their deficiency symptoms. First, nitrogen. Functions: as a constituent of amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids, and chlorophyll. Deficiency symptoms: retardation in growth and chlorosis in mature leaves. Phosphorus. Functions: as a constituent of nucleic acids and ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. It's a nucleotide. Deficiency symptoms: retarded growth of roots, red and purple patches on leaves. Potassium. Functions: protein synthesis, opening and closing of stomata. Deficiency symptoms: chlorosis in leaves, yellow or brown patches in leaves. Iron. Functions: synthesis of chlorophyll and synthesis of respiratory enzymes. Deficiency symptoms: chlorosis in tender leaves. Calcium functions: component of cell wall to maintain the structure and functions of plasma membrane for the activity of enzymes. Deficiency symptoms: dying of tissues at the tips of their leaves. Zinc functions for the activity of most enzymes. Synthesis of chlorophyll. Deficiency symptoms: dead cells and tissues throughout the plant and extra thickness in leaves. Sulfur functions as a constituent of amino acids and proteins. Deficiency symptoms: chlorosis in veins and areas between veins. That's it about minerals. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment your ideas, and subscribe.